Hi guys, I'm back with another video as promised. Today I will do the unboxing of the KingTech K70. Afterwards we'll do a little test run on the bench, and I would say let's get straight to it. Of course I had to open the box right there after the show. And since I didn't have a knife at the hotel room, I just took apart one of my disposable razors. And as you can see, it worked. So right here we have first a really thick manual. And here it is. Serial number 006. Turbine itself, I'm going to take it out of the bag later. Then we have all the wires and some kind of connector right here. The pump and the controller. Display board. So here we have it all laid out as listed in the manual. Everything is here. The beauty right there. Can't wait to start this baby up later in the day. For you, it will only take a couple seconds. I have to set up the test stand first. Here the hoses and wires. Another one. A filter. Control valve manual. And the pump, of course. The ground support unit. Touchscreen. The ECU control unit with a nice metal cover, some stickers, and the manual is really good, really informative, lots to read. Did that last night before I went to bed. So okay guys, I see you in a bit when I have set up my test stand and we can run up this beauty. Okay guys, here we are in my garage. Here's my little setup. Back there you can see my second hobby, my truck. As you can see, taking fuel right out of the canister. Of course I put a filter at the end of the pickup line. Run it up here to the pump, manual valve, back to the engine. Safety. Transmitter, receiver, GSU, Okay, let's start it up. Transmitter is on. Battery is connected. Got power.
Motor on.
Okay guys, hope you like it. Everything works. Time to install.